EWA claims to be the best language learning app out there, but does it really deliver? Today, I'm diving into its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. Let's see if EWA lives up to the hype. EWA is designed to help users learn languages through a mix of interactive lessons, games, and real-life conversations. The app targets beginners and intermediate learners, making it accessible for those just starting or looking to improve their skills. Upon opening the app, you're greeted with a clean interface that feels user-friendly. The core functionality revolves around bite-sized lessons that cover vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. What stands out immediately is the app's gamified approach to learning. You earn points and rewards as you progress, which can be quite motivating. However, some users might find the lack of advanced features limiting. For example, while EWA offers a variety of topics, there's a noticeable absence of deeper cultural context or conversational practice that can be crucial for fluency. Overall, while the app seems effective for casual learners, it might not fully meet the needs of serious language enthusiasts. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, EWA's gamified learning experience keeps users engaged, and the lessons are easy to follow, making it ideal for beginners. The app also provides a good range of languages, which is a plus for those looking to learn something less common. However, there are some downsides. The pricing can feel steep compared to other language apps, especially if you're looking for a long-term commitment. Some users might also find the content lacking in depth, particularly when it comes to real-world application and cultural nuances. If you're someone who learns better through immersion or interaction with native speakers, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, EWA is a solid choice for beginners wanting to dip their toes into a new language, thanks to its engaging format. However, if you're a more advanced learner or looking for something that offers deeper insights into language and culture, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying, especially for casual